Okay, so right now I feel like a stuffy thing, like right there. I'm probably the large. I know I'm not this medium or the small. Being honest with myself, really. Okay, yo, no, for real, yo, hey, yo. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Ryan Inspires, aka the little engineer that could, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Where all we do is give practical advice to engineer success in your life, and it's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while. So, the last vlog I did, I can't even remember what it was. I believe it was the affirmations. Go check that out. But I just posted a vlog on my best friend's wedding and what that experience was like, so check that out. But what happened was I got super busy, and after I got busy I had to fly to Trinidad for the wedding, and when I came back I was still busy with Ramir doing football and soccer. We were in practices day after day, so that started to wind down now. So I'm back trying to record, try to do videos. So I'll be back on, hopefully as consistent as possible. If I have the time, definitely consistent, but I still have a real day job that I have to prioritize. I still have a family, so try my best to squeeze it in where I can. And I love doing this anyway, so I'm pretty sure I will be doing a lot more videos now that I have the time. But anyway, that's not why I'm here. So real quick, I normally don't get caught up in the Instagram what do you call it, Instagram ads, right? But I was scrolling through this Instagram one day and I saw this page or this ad for a thing called intake. Now it's basically like a breathing thing. It's supposed to help with breathing, helping you breathe better through your nose, etc. Now my wife has been telling me for the longest while, yo, you snore. I mean, we've had it to where she slept in the other room because I was snoring too loud. It just depends on how tired I am. The more tired I am, the louder I snore. So I've gone to the doctor for this. It's like some congestion, something. One doctor even told me it was like a ear, nose, and throat doctor, ENT. He's like, you're borderline sleep apnea. He made me have some device on while I sleep. That was a while back, so I can't really remember what was the outcome of that. But anyway, I was scrolling through Instagram, and this ad, whoever ran that ad, they clearly reached their target audience because I was intrigued. So I clicked it and went into it, and normally I'd be looking at these things like, yo, this is a fad. But when I saw Andrew Huberman following their page, that was like, all right, let me give it some more look. So I went on their site, and I do have their site up, and let's go through it together to see what it is I saw that made me buy this. Now this is not by no means, I'm not sponsored, I'm not saying buy this, I'm just saying, yo, if you're a man that snore, that wife tells you snore too much, if you know what I mean, struggling not to breathe while you're sleeping, you're willing to try anything. And this I'm gonna try and see what happens. I'll probably have like a review. I wear my Apple Watch to sleep, so I'm always checking my sleep score. I'm always checking, which is forever low. For the past few weeks it's been low, but I'm always checking these things. So I'm hoping that I can track and see any change wearing it. I'm gonna do it for like 2 to 3 weeks straight and see what results we get, right? But let's look at their site. So this is the site, right? As soon as you go into it, this is the site. It's nice. The future of health and wellness. Yo, if you're like me right now, I know me and my friends, what we talk about is sleep scores, talk about different. Right now I've been using this app called Bevel that I really feel like has been helping me to kind of understand my sleep, understand the strain I put on my body. I mean, I could also just get an Oura ring, but I find those are so expensive, and then you have to still pay for a subscription. So I've been trying different alternatives. If push comes to shove, I just end up with that, right? So they have a nice page. See the page right here. You can see how it works, all of that, but we won't get into all of that, right? So, alright, so this is what I saw when I came on their page. It says, restricted airflow is a hidden epidemic. I agree with that. I have been listening to different podcasts where they've been saying like, we're meant to breathe through our nose, and they're saying like, when you're, that's why people would say when they're running to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, whatever the case may be. But anyway, it said, Deviator said, I don't have that, but the congestion and the suffer from snoring, they already had me at that, right? Then they said why it matters. Now, I strongly believe, my bad. I strongly believe that sleep apnea, I could possibly start getting that because of how restricted my nose is sometimes due to like just allergies. And then I don't really have dry mouth, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't really wake up with my mouth feeling dry. But lower endurance and faster fatigue, I could feel that the days that I don't sleep good, the app I told you all about, I could feel it, right? So this is how it works. Now this is interesting because I hate things on my nose. That's why I couldn't get a nose ring. I don't like things on my nose, in my nose, right? But this is how this works. You have two tabs, you put it here, and then there's this black thing that goes around it, and it's a magnet, and it snaps to your nose and basically pulls your nose open, like you see in this video, and then green lines of air rush through your nostrils. Now, I haven't tried it yet. I'm actually going to open it with you guys to see what came in the box. But I just want to go to the website so we could both see how it works and their claims, right? So they say 88% of users reported reduction in snoring. Now, how am I going to know? I am not the type, once I sleep and I'm sleeping, so I don't even know that I'm snoring. If Michelle wasn't sleeping next to me, my wife, and telling me that I snore, there's no way I would know that I snore. So I guess I'm gonna have to get her to play a part in this little experiment I'm doing and let me know. I'm actually gonna try and take note of every night and be like, okay, I snored tonight, didn't snore that night, didn't snore that night, and then also compare it to my sleep score. If I see my sleep score trending upwards, I know something is working out. If she say snoring has decreased, I know something working out, right? So I'm going to conduct my own experiment to make sure that this works the way they say it working. So I want to be in that 88%. I want to be in that 92% for sure, because I live in Texas and those sinuses, my goodness, too much. So you see, they say it here too, your body was designed to breathe through your nose, right? And they go into, I guess, what's this? Nitric oxide production, parasympathetic activation, air condition. Your nasal passages warm, humidify, and filter air before it reaches the lungs, trapping bacteria. Yeah, we know that. CO2 tolerance. Nose breathing maintains optimal carbon dioxide levels, which improves the Bohr effect, the release of oxygen from hemoglobin to tissues. Boom. So people are not only using this for sleeping. A lot of people are using this while they're running, while they're doing different activities, athletic activities. They're using this as well because the whole idea of it is that, like this, right, CO2 levels, and also helps bring in more oxygen to your lungs. So if you're running, obviously you want more oxygen. The more oxygen go into your bloodstream, etc., the better you perform, right? So people are not just using it. As you can see here is what it should improve, and that is what we're interested in. This right here, no more sleep divorce, you dig? That is what we're going for. If that could solve this problem for me, I already have my money. I'll be subscribing, getting a subscription of it over and over and over. So it says, no more sleep divorce. Perform at your peak. That's the sports thing I talk about. Relief without the drugs. Allergies. I don't know about that. I'm pretty sure I'm still going to need the drugs. The Allegra, the I was about to say Viagra, not Viagra, Allegra, the Zyrtec, you know, those things, and the decongestion, need that. The best sleep you've ever had. That is something I'm hoping this does for me too, just for sleep and recovery. I mean, yeah, they say it here too, just blood oxygen, getting that oxygen to your lungs. My smartwatch showed my oxygen level go up from 94% to 99. Yo, that's what we're looking for. If I could see that difference in my readings, my data, that'll be good. They're already winning. Dentists will notice, I don't know how. Let's see how the dentist will know. Let's see. Mouth breathing dries out saliva. Your teeth defense system, keeping your mouth closed, protects against cavities and gum disease. I'm wondering what will happen if I do mouth tape and this, because I still feel like I will open my mouth just out of habit. Might be, I don't know, we'll see if that is even a thing. But guided by the world's top experts, you dig. Harvard ENT, I guess this is their founder. Okay. Oh, let's see this. If I don't have this effect, we're gonna have an issue.
Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Wow. I love it.
Get out of here. This is crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
That's actually crazy.
Okay, hold up. If it's that good, I haven't tried this yet. Obviously, I just said that, but if I have this reaction when putting this on, I swear they have my money for recurring months. But if I have if that is my initial reaction, out of here, I swear, I will be on here letting you all know and promoting it like crazy with all the paycheck. That's wild. You all need to hit me a sponsor. If I like it and I start going crazy, and then I do like a routine video and show you all, boom, this is my nighttime routine, and this isn't it, I'm gonna need me a small check, yo. All right, let's see how it works. Let's look all up this lady nose here. 2-part system. Yeah, so look, this right here is the tab that goes on your nose, and this is the magnetic part that I was talking about that goes onto here. So this is reusable. The magnetic black part or white part, I think you get it clear as well, that is reusable. This is not reusable because that sticks onto your nose. That you gotta throw away. So the subscription is really the tabs, it's not the actual device itself or the parts with the magnet. So this is built to perform, like we said. There's athletes that use it. Nasal collapse, narrow nostrils, I guess these people who have these things. And I believe it comes with like 4 different sizes, so we'll see. Anyway, here's what's gonna happen now. I'm gonna go open this box and let's see what's inside. And I'm gonna put it on and we'll get an idea of, for the first time, how it looks, how it feels. And then in about 2 to 3 weeks, I'll come back on here and give a review and let you all know how it went. All right, let's do that. So this is the box here. When I bought it, it was a special. It's supposed to come with some extra stuff in it, so let's open it and see what's going on here. Alright, so this is what it came with. We have the micellar cleansing prep pads, I'm guessing for us to be able to cleanse the area before we put on these bad boys, which, hold on. Alright, so this is what came in the box. We have this, which I believe is just wipes to clean the area before you put on these bad boys, which are not the reusable, the disposable pads that go on to your nose. This, I have no idea what this is. We'll open it just now and figure out what that is. And these are the 4 different sizes of the nose, I don't know what to call it, band that come with it. So that's the box. These are the items that came in the box. Now, I did buy this, I think I mentioned it before, on a special. It was around Mother's Day. It was like 2 weeks before Mother's Day, but they had a sale or some type of bundle, and that's what this is. So let's get into these and see what they are. How about that? What do we open first? Let's open this, seeing that we had no idea what this was. Let's open it and see what it is. Oh, it's a carrying case. I don't know if y'all can see that. Here, let me hit my light a little bit. So, it's a carrying case. That's dope. A little carrying case. This is a magnet. See that? See this right here? It's a magnet. But it's a nice case. Has the intake branding on it. You can see that. Yeah. I like it. Pretty cool. Alright, let's open this next. Came with 30 of them things. 30 tab. A 30 ball. 2 packs. And this is what these look like. It looks weird with that little black thing in the middle, right? But that's the magnetic part of it, so that is supposed to be there. It's not mold or anything. Okay, next we have, do I need to open this? It's just cleaning pads. I don't think I need to open that. Let's get to this bad boy. Yes, sir. Yo, if you solve my problems of snoring, dog. Let's see. Alright. I think I did not rip that properly, but should still be able to get this off. Bam. Where's my little tool? Some packaging engineer made sure this was well packaged. Yo, this packaging is nice. Look at this. This is nice, dog. I mean, look at that. You open it, boom. Look at that green how it pop in. I like this. That's dope. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is what came in it, right? So you have this, you remove this. They gave 2 more of the clean pads, and then bull ring fit fest. I think, okay, so it says the perfect size band should touch the outside of the nostrils without pinching or pressing them closed. So I'm gonna have to use the big one. It's okay to laugh at yourself. Oh look, look at them right there. Oops. Look at them right there. That's pretty cool. So then, what are these? This says, let's see. This is a, oh, let's just open it. It's mine. Oh, that's right. Okay. So, let me tell you what happened. I just remembered. Because it was a Mother's Day thing going on, I think normally you would get this bad boy and obviously this in here. And boom, you get this. But I think because it was a Mother's Day deal, I got the 30 extra of the magnetic adhesives. And then I also got this, which was the, I don't know if y'all can see this, but it was the wipes. And also this. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom, try this on in front of y'all, and let's see what happens tonight. But anyway, let's go do that. Yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so if it's a little bit echoey in here, I apologize. I am in the half bath, so let's look at what we have. So we have this bad boy. This is the alcohol wipe. I'll take one of these to wipe my nose, and then I'll take out two of these, which luckily, I don't know if you can see, they're already perforated. So I just have to tear out two. Oh crap, I already tear one in half, dog. Damn it, look at that. Oh crap, we can't see. Look, see? Tore it. Dang it. Oh, you know what? It's not torn. We're good. We're straight. Alright. That's all I'm going to need for this little experiment tonight. And then I need to experiment with these. I'm probably the large. I know I'm not the medium or the small. Being honest with myself. Really? Let's see. It's probably, damn. Am I extra large? That's crazy. Don't be laughing down in the comments. I guess it probably, cheese on edges. Do they make it extra large? We'll see. Alright, it says the perfect size band should touch the outside of the nostrils without pinching or pressing them closed. Damn, I really think I'm the extra large, bro. Yeah, probably on the, it depends on where I put it. If I put it here, I'm definitely the extra large. If I put it here, if I put it right there, I could get away with the large. I don't know. Let's see. So, why does it say step 2? So what's step 1? That's weird. They both say step 2. This is step 3. Oh, step 1 was the test that I just did. This is step 2. Okay, step 1 was to see which one you're gonna use, top dog. So because it's up here, I'm gonna go with the large. And here, let me get you to look at me for this. Okay, yo, no, for real, yo, hey, yo. Is it in my head? That's one way to tell, right? If we could, I hope we don't take this off. Take it off, no, we didn't. Okay, so right now, I feel like a stuffy thing, like right there. Nah, it'll work, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Wow. Okay. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. I feel like this video is kind of long anyway, but I ain't gonna lie. I feel like it did something. I definitely felt like I don't know. But let's see. We'll see once we sleep. I'll let y'all know if these sleep score improve, or if the sleep have a lot of things that have to happen for my sleep score to improve. I have to go to bed at the time that I set, wake up at the time that I set every time. For it to be consistent, remove the other variables, and I'll let y'all know how I feel. Now, whether I snore or not, that's just a simple, once I'm not tired, I go to bed. Even if I'm tired, if it could stop me from snoring even when I'm tired and allow me to breathe through my nose as opposed to my mouth, this will be within. So let's see. I'll let y'all know if it even stay on while I sleep, because I sleep, I turn a lot from time to time. So let's see how it goes. I might even go to the medium because I feel like there's a little gap, right? But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Hey, if this is something that you will try or you have tried, comment down below. Let me know if there's other things that you've tried for snoring, for better breathing. Let me know down below as well. It's your boy Ryan Inspires, and thanks for letting me your ear and your eyes. You can have them back. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.